Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a business owner needing quick funding to grow your operations, today's video is perfect for you. We're diving into how to get a PayPal working capital loan, a flexible financing option designed for small businesses. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started right away. First things first, what exactly is PayPal Working Capital? It's a loan service from PayPal that allows you to borrow money based on your sales history. Unlike traditional loans with fixed monthly payments, you repay a percentage of your future PayPal sales, making it easier to manage during slow periods. To qualify, you need a few key things in place. You'll require a PayPal business account that's been active for at least 90 days, and you must have processed a minimum amount of sales through PayPal, typically around $10,000 in the past 3 months, though this can vary. Make sure your account is in good standing with no outstanding issues. Once you're eligible, the application process is straightforward. Log into your PayPal account and head to the Financing, or Working Capital, section. It's usually easy to find on the dashboard. There, you'll apply by entering details about your business, like your desired loan amount, which can range from $1,000 up to 35% of your annual PayPal sales. After submitting your application, PayPal reviews it quickly, often in minutes. If approved, the funds could be in your account within hours, giving you fast access to capital. Remember, approval isn't guaranteed, so have your sales data ready to strengthen your case. Repayment is simple and automatic. A fixed percentage of your daily PayPal sales goes toward the loan until it's fully paid, including the borrowed amount plus a fee. This fee is based on your sales volume and can be higher than traditional loans, so always calculate if it's worth it for your business. In summary, PayPal Working Capital is a great option for quick, flexible funding, but it's best for established sellers. Before applying, double-check PayPal's current terms to avoid surprises. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.